Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. Today we're having a look at the difference between grand and gros. They're not used to describe the same things. Grand means tall, big in height, important or sometimes grown up. It's used for people, buildings, ideas or age. For instance, un grand homme could be a tall man or a great man, that depends on the context. Un grand immeuble, a tall building. Une grande idée, a great idea. Mon grand frère, my older brother. Gros means fat, thick or big in volume. It's used for objects, animals or people who are overweight and for things that are physically big or heavy. Un gros chat, a fat cat or a big cat. Une grosse valise, a big or a heavy suitcase. Un gros problème, a serious or big problem. Un gros livre, a thick book. Sometimes you can use both, but there's always a different emotional or descriptive tone. First of all, with things like problems or lies, you can use grand or gros. Un grand problème, a major or important problem. Un gros problème, a serious or heavy problem, as if you feel the weight of it. Un grand mensonge, a huge lie or an epic lie. Un gros mensonge, a blatant lie or a big fat lie. You could also use both for abstract things like danger, risk and effort. Un grand danger is a great danger, as in potentially deadly. Un gros danger is a real or concrete danger. You feel it more physically. Un grand effort is a major effort. Un gros effort, a physically or emotionally demanding effort. Un grand risque, a serious risk. Un gros risque, a heavy risk, usually very probable or impactful. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking on the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.